saw you with the box. What was in the box? What's in the box?
What's up, Knuckleheads? Canuck Shaver here, coming at you. This time I got a special guest with me. This is my sister Kelly. She's visiting me all the way from beautiful Australia, Cronulla.
Cronulla,
Cronulla,
yes.
yeah, just outside of Sydney, right?
Yes, just
Yeah.
outside of Sydney. Good
Yeah.
afternoon, Canuck. Let's start again. Can we just
No, just keep going.
No,
Don't
no,
worry
no,
about it.
no,
No,
just
it's all good. It's all good.
Okay, sorry.
Just,
Yes,
yeah.
I'm from Australia, or I'm originally from Canada, and I've lived in Australia for almost 4.5 years now. And I feel very honoured that my brother has asked me to come here. So hello, Knuckleheads, and good day.
And she likes to talk. No, this is awesome. I'm excited to have her here. Her husband's also here, who's actually from England, so very cool to have them. And it's cool because this is like one of my first unboxings of something that's non-shaving related. I said I had something special coming up. These are actually, well, you'll see the box. This is a monster box.
It's heavy.
Just hold it like this there, Cal. Okay, there we go. No,
I can still talk through a box.
So, what this is a box from a company called Oliberte. It's a boot company. Their factory's actually in Africa, but they distribute, I think there's 2 places out of the US and Canada, have 2 distributing places out of there. It's in sub-Saharan Africa, where their ideal is, where they hire people to work at their factories rather than it's trade, not aid. So they actually have African workers working there to make their own money and stuff like that. And everything they can get sourced, the leather, the rubber, the machinery that they can use in the factories that they can get there is all gotten there. All the rubber and leather is all from sub-Saharan Africa or the continent of Africa. So awesome stuff. They got great ideals.
What about the environment? Isn't there something about the environment?
Yes, they're 1% to the planet. So 1% of the proceeds of all their sales goes back to the environment, making the world a better place. I'll put a link to their website, obviously. Check out their Our Story. They do a lot of great stuff for the country. For Africa in the world, stuff like that. They're like awesome company, really cool, which is great. I think makes something just that much better when you're buying something, know it's going to a good cause, helping people out.
I think so, and I think as well, consumers are looking to do something a little bit different nowadays, aren't they?
Yes, yeah, absolutely. If you can do something a little bit more that helps somebody else, kind of like those. Well, Tom's shoes were kind of crappy, let's be honest. But I like how they kind of like, you buy a pair, they get a pair of something in Africa or somewhere in the world, whatever. But the shoes weren't the greatest, so. But anyways, these shoes are from Oliberte or Oliberte, Oliberte with an accent aigu. Is it aigu?
Yeah, aigu. Yes.
We took French till like grade 12. We're awesome. Bonjour, oui, oui. Anyways, so let's get. I don't know what's in here. I have no idea. They asked me for my shoe size, so I gave them that, so I have no clue what's in here. So let's get into it. Let's see what's in here.
I've never opened a box like this before.
A cardboard box, or just like a box in general?
No, just something that you have no idea what's in there.
Yeah.
Obviously Christmas presents, but
that's what it's like. It's like Christmas, but in
cool.
January. Okay, so let's open this bad boy up. This is a huge box, so I have no idea. I hope they didn't send me size like 52 shoes.
Knuckleheads, are you excited? This is gonna be so cool.
Okay, here we go. Let's see it.
Come on.
Okay, relax. Sip a beer before we get into it. Okay, all right, here we go. Oh, there is a box in here. Oh.
This is the best stuff ever.
I let her play with that while we do the unboxing. Oh, Jesus.
The babies are sleeping. Sorry.
Okay. So looks like we got one box. Just hold that.
There's the spelling of Oliberte right there, folks.
We got two boxes here. So this is I don't know what to say. This is amazing. All right, let's open these ones first.
There you go.
So this looks like these are the Mogado. It says the name of them are the Mogado High in rustic brown to say. The brown yellow.
Brown yellow.
So let's open these bad boys up and see what we got in here. Every pair, every purchase, every person matters. Oliberte is a responsible lifestyle brand supporting workers' rights in sub-Saharan Africa. Every shoe is fairly made and proudly handcrafted from high-quality African leather by the Oliberte team in Ethiopia. Share the pride. #MyOliberte.
There we go.
Thanks, Dana. All right, so let's open these up.
But wait 1 second, Scotty. Every pair, every purchase, every person matters. I think that's awesome. I know you're really anxious to get into the shoes, but seriously, I think it's awesome.
Okay.
I
So
think
you guys
that's cool.
comment if you want me to have other guests on here.
And I'm here for a few days, so hopefully we get a few more packages, which would be awesome.
Oh, these are awesome. Okay. There you go. Have a look at those. So here's the first pair. These are the Mugados. These are so. These. You smell the leather.
Oh my gosh.
Very like. They're kind of like.
Oh my gosh! There's maps in the insole! I don't know if you can see this.
Somebody looks more excited.
But the insole actually has maps in the side of them. These are freaking wicked.
Okay, so there's some, real first impressions right there. But yeah,
Holy
these are
crow.
beautiful. They're like kind of like rustic, like they're, you could wear these casually. You could dress them up a little like business casual probably. Probably not too fancy though, I wouldn't think. But like
Not with a pair of chinos.
Jeans or chinos, yeah.
Yeah, I think they look
easily.
cool.
Like these are beautiful, dark brown. Very, very awesome. These are so cool.
Even once you get into the summertime or the springtime, you can have a nice pair of shorts. Yeah. They would look wicked. Okay,
what
Scotty.
What about a pair of tracky dacks?
Tracky dacks. Oh, the old tracky dacks.
So there's...
Wait. This is really wicked. Did you say this? Oliberte makes the world's only footwear in a fair trade certified factory.
Yeah, that's a big thing too. That's what we were talking about. The whole like
right there.
Buying smarter, buying better.
That's wicked.
And they also put this breaking in, not breaking down. So it's about how their shoes break in, not break down, which is what good leather does. I'll put a link. I'll put some pictures of this on when I edit the video. I'll try to edit her out, which is
no.
But
Seriously, these are amazing. I'd never ever heard of these before.
Yes. So
do they do women's as well?
They have women's too.
Oh,
beautiful women's shoes as well. So guys, buy yourself a pair. Buy some for your girlfriends or your wives. To make you think you're thinking about them. These for yourself.
Those are stunning.
These are absolutely awesome. Like
they've got a really good sole as well, actually.
Yeah, very cool, very cool. But let's get into the second pair. You guys don't want to be watching me for 30 minutes, I don't think.
You might be wanting to watch me, but who knows?
And these are the Ngolas, Ngola. These are in the brown and yellow pull-up. I don't think pull-up's the color. I think they're pull-up boots. This is amazing. They've sent you these shoes. Yes. So these were sent to me by the people at Oliberte. I contacted them saying I like this stuff, and they were like, "Oh, let's probably do a YouTube channel. Let's collaborate on something." So that's wicked. This visit, then I'll do another video in the future when I've worn them a little bit, show you how they look broken in. And now
so
look
cool.
at these, the Ngolas. Let's have a look at these bad boys. Oh, these are incredible. Wow.
Check out these beauties. Look at these warriors. Look at that.
So these are a bit more of a high top boot.
These are stunning.
Beautiful leather, nice, cool stitching. They got this cool, rugged, worn look to them. Yeah. Which is, I got another pair of boots that are like a high end, they're more like the not high end, but more like a classy boot. They look more like not like a day-to-day wears. Where these feel like, I know I've read stories of people go hiking in these and wear them all around.
Seriously?
Oh yeah, and these I can totally see why they look like a nice boot that you can wear. You're not gonna be super worried about scuffing them or you know what I mean. The first time you wear a pair of nice boots, you're like, oh, you don't want to touch anybody to go near you. Yeah. But these are beautiful, but they feel like you can wear them anywhere and not worry about that.
Have you heard of the phrase box fresh?
I have not.
Okay.
I'm sure you're gonna tell me about it though.
No, just box fresh when they come out and they're brand new. So these bad boys, they look absolutely box fresh. They're brand new. They look like that. Whereas exactly like Scotty's saying, these ones look a little bit worn in, but they're really, what?
She just told you my real name. Just kidding.
Oh, I was gonna say, Canuck heads.
These also have the map on the inside of Africa and stuff like that. But these are just a great, cool boot. I'll take some pictures after this on feet. I'll probably end up wearing them tomorrow because these are just.
You know what I'm thinking? Traveling.
What are you thinking?
I'm thinking traveling. If you are going somewhere and you want to take a shoe that you can wear during the day when you're going and exploring a city or something like that, or maybe going on a hike or something, and then you want something that you can actually wear in the evening. My husband and I just came from New York, and that's exactly what he needed. He needed something during the day and something in the evening, but due to like weight restrictions and everything like that, could only take a few pairs of shoes. These bad boys would be absolutely perfect.
Yeah,
wear them during the day.
You can wear these during the day and in the evening. You can sew a pair of jeans on with these.
Yeah.
Like I said, or like anything, and they can go.
Yeah.
Like I said, I've read the reviews and stuff of these. They get great reviews. People go, like I said, go hiking, do lots of stuff, and they photograph me. Follow Oliberte on Instagram. Great pictures, and like I don't think the website does these justice. Like these just look amazing on like this in person. Like these look incredible. And
look
also,
at those soles.
I also noticed in the box they gave me this is their Gorilla Wax that you put on them to protect them. So obviously I'll probably wax these up before I wear them, or I might try wearing them tomorrow and not Gorilla Wax them up. But yeah,
you
these
gotta,
are awesome.
Gotta take care of your shoes.
Yeah, so this is the Gorilla Wax there. Thank you for throwing that in because yeah, this is.
If you want to make a shoe last, you got to make sure
all
that
natural weatherproofing. I've heard great stuff about this stuff actually as well. So very cool. I'm not sure if it's going to change the color of it. It might darken them up a little bit, which is fine by me. Whatever. But these are just like beautiful, like chocolate brown. Again, this is the Nagola, and this is the Mogado. Sorry, my African is not perfect.
But how cool!
Yeah, these are like.
I think anyone would want a pair of those.
I don't know which ones. Which are your? These are kind of like these are a bit like a chukka style, and these are just like a rugged boot kind of stuff. Like these are freaking awesome. Like I had no idea I was gonna be getting 2 pairs of these. The fact I got 1 pair is incredible. The fact I got 2 is amazing.
What size shoe do you have? Might they fit me?
They will not. Maybe I don't know.
I could get an insole.
But no, these are awesome. I cannot thank Oliberte enough. I can't thank my sister enough, Kelly, for being on the
Thank you for having
channel with me. Yeah, let me know if you guys have worn these before, checked them out before, what you think of these styles, what you think of their website, what you think of me having guests on here. Should I do it more? Maybe should I get my wife on here, or other people? Who knows? But and let me know if you like going to like men's lifestyle stuff, like these shoes, other stuff, watches, pens, other leather goods, stuff like that. Should I expand, do more stuff like that, stick to grooming and stuff like that? Let me know, but again, huge thank you to Oliberte for
They're
this.
awesome.
Huge thank you to you guys for watching. These are incredible. Cannot thank everybody enough. Thank you, Kelly, again.
No worries.
And
thanks for having me.
have a good night, and we'll see you in the next video.
See you, Canuck. Bye.